Well, hello there, creative friends. I'm Jonathan and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a full house tour of my Christmas decor with some of the thrifted DIY creations that I've crafted this year and over previous years. So grab yourself a glass of mulled wine and a mince pie. Let's get all kind of festive together. Before we start the house tour, I'd just like to take a moment to thank all of the new subscribers for hitting the subscribe button. Thank you, and the warmest of welcomes. And not to forget all of my faithful followers that have been here. Some of you have been here for 12 years. So I'm super grateful for all of your support over those years. While I've got you, there is a new feature on YouTube which will really help my videos in the future. So for the first 7 days of any new video, there is a button just underneath this video that will say hype. It sits alongside the remix and share button. So just search along the bottom. If you hit that button, it will push my videos far and wide to many new subscribers. I would much appreciate it. Please enjoy the rest of my Christmas tour. In the kitchen, we don't usually have a Christmas tree, but I couldn't resist this year when I found this small tree in a charity shop for just £5. I've planted it in a vintage copper coal scuttle and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. We've gone with a simple colour palette of burgundy and green throughout the kitchen, and I'm super happy with the overall outcome. Well, did you spot some of those thrifted and crafted items during the first segment of this video? I'm going to share with you now some of those projects that I've truly enjoyed doing this year before we move on to my dining room. Here in the dining room, I've gone for a simple rustic woodland feel. I've taken some of the larger elements, the structural elements of the room, and incorporated them into my Christmas decor, such as rust, brass, and timber, with a few pops of orange ribbon, which really sits well with that beautiful brickwork in the fireplace. Moving on into our winter lounge. So this space, I've once again used the furniture as my colour inspiration for my Christmas decor. I've used a rich golden tan to match the sideboard and sofa, a rustic barn style red, which I've painted one or two of those baubles to tie into the dresser, and I've gone with dark rich brown velvet ribbons, and of course the brass tones of the baubles which I've painted on the fireplace and in the tree. In the hallway, I've gone full on Home Alone Christmas using Norfolk pine garlands swagging down the balustrade with a variety of brass bells of all different shapes and sizes, the newel post festooned with deep burgundy red velvet bows. Well, I have to say, one of my favourite projects of the year is this glass fruit bowl, which I turned into a stone jardiniere. And not to forget my cloche with my floating jingle bell. I absolutely love it. It will be coming out year after year. The final room of our Christmas tour is the front living room. So in this room, it has a garden vibe. So I've predominantly gone with a very simple colour palette of green and white using every faux floral that I had above the fireplace and in the tree with white baubles, hints of dark wood, stone, and a few elements of burgundy. Well, that's just about all from me this year. I'm already planning 2026. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will catch you all very soon. Lots of love, Jonathan.